YouTube, what's going on? This your boy Extra. Antoine got me up here working. While I'm working, gonna put a kickstand switch on this bike down there. So we're gonna get that hooked up. He said it should take about 15 minutes. So we're gonna get it knocked out. Then they're gonna take the bike to the dealer and go get it flashed so it can work with his Hill Assist on this RDS system on his bike. So we're gonna get this knocked out right quick. And y'all just follow along. All right, YouTube, I'm back. About to put this sensor in. Then you take your I think that's a 316. It's a 316 Allen bolt. You want to put right here from that little cap that you removed earlier. All right, y'all. You got two plastic little push in. We got to get these two out because the plug is behind this plastic cover behind the oil cooler on his bike. So we're gonna pop that out. Should be get behind. It's tight in here too, guys. How you? Through here? Which way you go? Oh, okay. I see.
I watched it, the skinny.
Get it with my hand. There we go. And what you want to undo? Undo this from your dummy plug right here.
You said you could rip it out because you got a replacement plug on it.
Oh, okay. Got a rag or something? Wipe all that oil off of it so that dirt won't get up in that plug. So we're wiping that plug off because you know how when you do the oil changes, oil drops down on this bottom, on these bottom pieces and stuff. So we just wiping it off so no dirt get up in it. So normally, guys, I take like some push through. Normally I take some I have a little tool for that to remove that, but I'm not at home today, so we're doing everything by hand. Unplug that new one into its spot.
Hold on, go under this. Go under this. We got to take that off.
Oh, yeah. Talking about on top of the hose?
No, here.
What?
Right here. This hole here.
Go under?
Behind this.
Oh.
Yeah. So under that.
Okay. I got you. And go up under here like that. So this plug is good.
You know what? Let's do it the other way because I don't want to hang it. You know what I mean? Go back over top.
Well, it's gonna be in that plastic cup, right? That cover.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah. Push it up in the light like that.
Get this one.
What that one for?
That one's for this.
It slides on
It
there.
slides on it.
Yeah. That's it, little buddy. Just like that. Just push it back in.
Then you can slide that back on.
What, this one?
Yeah. You can release.
That part number is for Antoine's 21 Road Glide. And this part number is 692-03477. That's your kit for your side stand sensor. They go for your RDS, where you can put your bike in neutral while still using your hill assist, so the bike won't cut off. So next thing now, you just gotta take it to the dealer, flash the ECU, and then add that on there, so he'll be able to use his hill assist while the bike's in neutral. So this your boy Extra signing off. Hope y'all have a good day.